Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a role and change its color on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click your server name at the top of the channel sidebar to open the server menu. From the drop-down, click Server Settings. The settings page opens with Server Overview displayed. In the left sidebar, click Roles to open the role management page. You'll see any existing roles listed here. Click the Create Role button at the top. A new role editor opens with a default name already filled in. Clear the role name field and type in your role name. For this example, I'm using Test. Scroll down to the Role Color section and click one of the color swatches. I'm choosing yellow here to make the role stand out. Once you're happy with the name and color, click Save Changes at the bottom to create your new role. If you need to change the role color later, just come back to this same roles page, click the role you want to edit, pick a different color, and save again. The color you choose affects how member names appear in the member list and in chat, so brighter colors make the role more visible. You can create as many roles as you need for different permission levels or groups within your server. If you want to assign this new role to members, you'll need to go to a member's profile, click the plus icon next to their roles, and select it from the list. And that's how to create a role and set its color. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.